Hello, friends. Happy Monday to all of you. New crisis relief checks will begin to be sent out today to eligible Social Security, SSI, SSDI, RRB, and VA beneficiaries. However, friends, there are some lawmakers that have proposed that extra boosted payments should go to a more targeted group of Social Security recipients. Friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video if you receive monthly benefits. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, the more videos you comment on, the more likely your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. Within the plans that the United States government has to benefit people in need, we can find 3 different ones: Social Security, Supplemental Security Income, and Social Security Disability Income. These 3 can sometimes be combined, but not always. The date for receiving the Social Security Supplemental Income coincides every month with the first day. The amount of money that one will receive will depend on many factors, but what is certain is that this supplemental income has a maximum amount of $841. Most seniors count on Social Security benefits in retirement to help them cover their costs, but knowing how much you'll get isn't always easy. There are several factors that affect this, including your age when you claim your benefit, your birth year, and your income throughout your career. This month, several prominent senators have introduced a bill in the House, and it would expand Social Security benefits by $2,400 a year and fully fund it for the next 75 years past the year 2096. This is all without raising taxes by 1 penny on over 93% of American households. Lawmakers introduced the legislation following the recent release of an annual report by the trustees of the Social Security and Medicare trust funds that showed Social Security currently has a $2.85 trillion surplus and can pay out every benefit owed to every eligible recipient until the year 2034. Under this bill, Social Security benefits for current and existing recipients would be increased by $200 a month. It would also increase the cost of living adjustments by measuring the spending patterns for seniors, doing so by adopting the Consumer Price Index for the elderly. The new legislation, the Social Security Expansion Act, would raise the earnings cap on Social Security taxes, as earnings are taxed up to $147,000 a year. The proposal would also update the special minimum benefit to make it increase and index the benefit level so that it's equal to 125% of the poverty line, or about $17,000 for a single worker who had worked their full career. Both the chambers in Kentucky have come up with different tax plans. The Senate has proposed a one-time tax rebate, while the House wants to reduce the income tax rate from 5% to 4%. This new tax rate, if approved, would be effective January 1st, 2023. Specifically, the Senate approved a $1 billion rebate, while the House bill proposes reducing the income tax rate. The House bill also calls for additional rate reductions to 0 if the state hits revenue goals going forward. The Senate's proposal of a one-time tax rebate of $500, if approved, would go to individual tax filers. Joint filers, on the other hand, would receive a $1,000 rebate unless they paid less than $1,000 in state taxes. In case the taxpayers paid less, they would get a stimulus check from the state of Kentucky of a lower amount. They would not receive a rebate at all if they paid no taxes. Lawmakers expect to compromise on the proposals from both chambers very soon.
Thanks to the historic CARES Act and another targeted bipartisan stimulus that had just passed weeks earlier, our economic foundations had weathered the pandemic lockdowns and were primed for a roaring recovery back to normalcy and prosperity. Before the pandemic, Republican policies had America as a net exporter of oil for the first time since World War II. The same voters who gave President Biden the presidency gave him a razor-thin margin in both chambers. His only mandate was to govern from the middle. In his inaugural address, President Biden promised to do just that, to unite and to heal. But for the past year, he and his administration have often behaved like they're trying to fail their own test. Remember, the president made stifling American energy independence a day one priority, killing miles of pipeline and freezing new jobs and new exploration with the stroke of a pen. Then came the spending bill his administration called the most progressive domestic legislation in a generation, and top liberal economists warned would set off inflationary pressures we've not seen in a generation. Inflation has surged so steeply, most Americans have seen their real wages actually cut. Then came the decision to cut and run from the international coalition we led in Afghanistan. President Biden's top military advisors warned that retreat would embolden terrorists, endanger loyal partners, and leave our intelligence capabilities in the region badly handicapped. But the Biden administration failed to heed these warnings and presided over a disastrous withdrawal. Our biggest adversaries took notes. And now one of them is testing the limits of the West's resolve to oppose his murderous conquest. And then there are the alarming trends this administration has placed on the back burner.
Friends, the keyword for this video is Golden Gate Bridge. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Golden Gate Bridge, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Also at the federal level, lawmakers are working on proposals to offer relief to Americans from rising gas prices. A group of senators in Washington, D.C. have come up with a proposal to provide energy relief checks to Americans. Well, my amazing and fabulous friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. The winner of yesterday's giveaway is Linda Hernandez. Congratulations, my friend. Please note, if I have named you as a winner, do check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.